Welcome back to the Playwright Python series. In a previous video, we installed Playwright and run our first browser. Today we are scrap our first real website, booktoscrap.com. That is this website, and in this website we will scrap the name of the book and price of the book that we do scrap through our Python. So let's build it. So first we have to do just a basic stuff that we learned a previous video. It's just run our browser and give the title of our website. Here it's give me just a title. Now after that my page is open. Now I need that's data. So for that we just need go browser and do inspect. Here a developer tool is come. Now here you can see there is each book contain this. You can see this type, this div, that's this article and class. So we have to wait before until that all that are loaded. For that we just go to here and we don't want to in the title. Instead instead of just we go to page dot, uh, we need to wait for selector and we wait for article, that is this. In that article we have a class name this. Here we wait if it's loaded or not. It will after wait if all the my div is loaded, then I just do page dot query. We select that all the query that contain the that same, because we waited for this. Now we select all that and just we give the name books. Now let's print the books, see what happen. And let's run it and it will open it. And here me it's give me some classes and no, not giving the actual data. Let's fix it. Now I get all the books. I run a for loop because it's give me that things. Yeah, one book, second book, third book, four book, fifth book, sixth book. Now I need to select is extract the data. So for that, first I go add for book in books. And here first I need a title of the book. To get the title, we do same. Just do a book that is first li, that is this that is my book. From book I need a query statement and I need only one because it has only contain one. That's why. And from here, let's go here. And here we from here we scrap that. So article that after article, but here in article we have one h3, and within the h3 there is a contain the name of the book. So to scrap that things we have to do here at the query selector we have to add h3. There is a h3 and then there is a. From that we get this in our program. That's I'll show you up that print and it makes it as a true. I have printed no, I didn't print the title. Now let's do again. here you can see something can I can able to read it, but there is something come to because mm, it's not showing me that things. From that we need to extract the attribute. We need the attribute name is title. If I run again, now it's give me all the titles because it's give me that type. And in a there is one attribute name title, title content the book name. I extract that things. In here you can see all the title of the book I got that. Same as let's print the price. Price is equals to let's do here book dot query selector and let's analyze now that page. Here we can see there is directly one class that contain the price. S- So just we direct extract that class. So selector and dot class, and from that we need a inner text. Here we can see there is a one class contain one inner text. We need to extract that, and yeah, we got it. Now just we print. First we need my title, and then I need print one dash, then comma, then price. Mm, we need to add equals to, yeah, and do just same, and here just add this for better understanding. Yeah, let's print again, and here we see what happened. Here we can see a name and price is extracted. So yeah, that's a video. Thanks for watching.